Step into the Ram 2019 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper chrome grille surround matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD included, 12.0 inches single rear wheel axle urethane shift knob transmission oil cooler, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, quick order package 21A Tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins HD turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD and tire fill alert. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.